Looking for the best carpet cleaner to keep your home spotless? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best carpet cleaners of 2024. Whether you've got pets, kids, or just high traffic areas, these cleaners will give you the deep clean you need. Want to know the prices? Check the links in the description below for the latest deals. Stick around till the end to find the one that's perfect for you. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the BISSELL Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner, built to tackle the toughest dirt and stains with ease. Equipped with the XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush, this cleaner offers deep, powerful cleaning that can refresh even the most heavily soiled carpets. Whether you're dealing with pet messes or high-traffic areas, the 9-inch long reach hose and 6-inch tough stain tool make it a breeze to get into all the hard-to-reach spots, making it ideal for deep cleans in every corner of your home. What really sets the Big Green apart is its BISSELL Pro Max formula with Stain Protect technology, ensuring that stains don't come back. The large capacity tank allows you to clean more without frequent refills, giving you a more efficient, uninterrupted cleaning session. Whether you're a pet owner or just want that fresh, just cleaned look, this professional-grade carpet cleaner delivers exceptional results with ease. If you're looking for serious cleaning power, the BISSELL Big Green is a must-have for your home. Taking the number 4 spot is the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Pet Pack Carpet Cleaner, a powerhouse designed for pet owners and deep cleaning. If you've got furry friends, you know that their messes can be tough to clean. But this cleaner is specifically designed to tackle pet stains, odors, and embedded dirt. The strong suction power combined with the dual cross action brush works wonders in lifting and extracting even the most stubborn stains. The large size of the cleaner ensures that you can cover a larger area in a single pass, saving you time and effort. Plus, it comes with a pet formula that's specially formulated to break down pet odors and stains, leaving your carpet fresh and clean. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around your home, so you can get into corners, along baseboards, and around furniture without hassle. Whether you're cleaning up after pets or just need a reliable deep cleaner, the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Pet Pack is a fantastic choice for getting your carpets back to their best. At number 3 is the Shark S5000 and 3D Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System, a steam mop designed to make your hard floors shine effortlessly. This versatile cleaning system uses advanced steam technology, leaving your floors looking spotless. What sets the Genius system apart is its intelligent steam control feature, which lets you adjust the steam output for different cleaning tasks. Whether you're dealing with sticky spills or light dust, this mop has you covered. The pocket pads are designed for maximum absorption and can be easily removed and tossed in the wash for reuse. The 360-degree swivel head allows you to clean in tight spaces with ease, making it perfect for maneuvering around furniture and corners. Plus, it comes with a large water tank, so you can clean more before needing to refill. For hard floor cleaning that's both effective and easy, the Shark S5000 and 3D Genius offers advanced technology with a user-friendly design, making it a top pick for households everywhere. At number 2, we have the Hoover Powerscrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner, a must-have for pet owners and anyone who needs to tackle stubborn stains. This upright shampooer is equipped with powerful deep cleansing technology that lifts dirt and grime while deep cleaning your carpet fibers. Whether it's pet accidents, mud, or food spills, this cleaner is built to handle it all with ease. The spin scrub brushes scrub deep into the carpet, while the heat force drying technology ensures that your carpets dry faster, leaving them fresh and clean. It features a large 1.25-gallon tank that minimizes refills, making it perfect for bigger cleaning jobs. Plus, the Clean Boost control gives you extra power when you need it most, perfect for those high-traffic pet areas. The XL size makes this cleaner ideal for larger homes, and with a lightweight design, you can easily maneuver around furniture. If you're dealing with pet messes, the Hoover Powerscrub XL is ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus, the ultimate upright deep cleaner designed for homes with pets. This powerhouse is equipped with dual dirt lifter power brushes that scrub and lift dirt and stains deep within carpet fibers, while the heatwave technology helps maintain consistent water temperature for a thorough clean. The 30-minute dry time is a game changer, allowing you to quickly get back to normal life after cleaning. Plus, the hassle-free hose tool attachments make it easy to tackle pet hair and stains on upholstery, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. The pet upholstery tool and tough stain tool are perfect for those tougher messes that often seem impossible to clean. Ideal for pet owners, the ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus comes with a large clean water tank and multi-surface cleaning capabilities, making it a top choice for households looking for deep cleaning power with minimal downtime. It's effective, versatile, and quick, everything you need to keep your home looking fresh. That's it for today's countdown of the top 5 best carpet cleaners of 2024. If you found a cleaner that fits your needs, check the links in the description for the best deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our future reviews. Thanks for watching.